Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna give you the basic knowledge about Webflow. So let's jump into our today's tutorial. Here is the interface that you will see whenever you sign in for Webflow. If you want to start your new site, you can navigate to this button and press New Site. It will show you many templates here. So let's choose this one because it's simple. Before selecting it, you can choose to preview to make up your mind. So if you liked it, you can just close this and press on select. Here you will name your site name. Let's say Papetco, the name of the company, and create site. It usually takes less than a minute to load. And voila. Now, to be able to understand this interface easily, we will have to understand a concept first, which is called box inside a box. This concept represents this panel. Here you can see every component in this interface. The body, which contains everything in here, contains smaller boxes like navigation, which itself, when I double click on it, we'll see that it even contains smaller boxes, which is navigation wrap, which contains another smaller boxes, which are logo link and menu and button. Even logo link, when I expand it, I will see that it consists of smaller and smaller boxes. So this is the concept of Webflow. It's boxes inside boxes. So let's start. Now let's return to our previous menu, which is this. So as we can see, we have multiple layers here. The first one is the body, which contains everything. Navigation, which is this part, the header. Section, which is this part. It contains intro header, which contains intro content, and intro content itself contains intro text, and intro text itself contains heading, jumbo, paragraph, and returning to intro content, it contains also button, which contains text block. So they are components made up of smaller components. Great. Now let's see this left menu here. In this element allows me to add any structure I want, or typography or text or image or anything I would like. It also allows me to add layouts, which are a complete package that you can add, and it allows you to add more than one component in one time. Here you can access to the different pages which the template is composed of, like home, which is shown currently. We can go to contact. You will see a different page. You can also navigate to other different pages like projects. Every page will have its unique design. So let's return to our home page here. This button allows you to either expand or collapse the navigator panel so as to have a clearer version of your design. Moreover, there is something which is called assets, which is this one. This allows you to have preset objects that you can add. It also gives you the ability to upload any image you want on your device. Great. So now let's start adding and modifying our template. The first thing we are gonna modify is the text and background edits. So let's see what we want to edit. First of all, we need to edit on our navigation. So we chose it. We will double click on it to be able to access every component inside. It's still loading. And here we go. It contains navigation wrap, which contains logo link. This logo link is actually an image, so it cannot be replaced with a text. So all what I need to do to replace it is to enter on assets. After choosing it, upload the logo I want. Upload the logo I want from here, and it's loading. All what I need to do is to choose it. And when I go back, I will choose this. Go to assets and choose this logo. And here it's added. I added it twice. Here it is. So all what I need to do is to just select the section I want, click on assets, and upload the logo I want. So it will be replaced this way. Great. Now, if I want to manipulate this logo, I can double click on it. And in this right menu, I will have many options to manipulate my logo. For example, if I want to control the margins, I can control it from here by dragging like that. I can also control the outer margins by dragging like that as well, to the extent that I want. I can do this upward, downward, right and left. I can also control the size of my logo from here. You have to only select the unit that you will use. I will choose pixel. It's 108 pixels. So if I choose 120, it will increase in size. And the same applies for the height. I have to select pixel, then I control this number, whether I want to make it larger or I want to make it smaller. Great. Now let's manipulate our text. Let's choose this text by double-clicking on it. Here, after double-clicking on it, it opened this component on the navigator panel. So it's heading Jumbo, which is contained inside intro text, which is contained inside intro content, then intro header, then section. So they are layers inside layers, as we agreed. So if I want to manipulate my heading, I can change my text. I can write the name of the company, for example. I can also change the font. From here, from this section, typography, I can choose any font I want. When I just place my cursor on it, it shows a displayed version of it. So let's pick this one. I can also change the alignment based on the text from here. I can even change the way it's written from more type options here. I can choose if it's all caps or just capitalize each word. I think this one is better. I can also divide the text itself into two parts. This is done by choosing the part I want to split, then select this brush sign, and so it's now a different layer from this one. So if I decided to change the color, for example, into blue, I will find that this part has only been changed, not the whole text. I can also add an image from assets here. I can upload the image I want from my device. For example, let's choose this one. Now it's uploading. After adding it, I can drag it from here, and I can choose in which component I want to put this layer. So if I want to put it as a subset to the intro text, I will just place it here. and it will be added successfully. However, I'm gonna delete it for now. Perfect. So these are the main features here. In this left menu, you can add different blocks, different boxes, and in the right menu, you can manipulate the properties of these boxes, like the sizes, the alignment, the color, and so on and so forth. You can also control your view from here. Here we use the desktop view. You can also use the tablet view, or even the mobile view from here. After finishing everything, now you need to publish your changes. So press on publish, then publish to selected domains. And here it's preparing to publish. Finally, when it's done, it will give you the link to your website. So by pressing on this one, it will access your website, and here you can view the final version. Perfect. So that was it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next videos, and thanks for watching.